Hey, welcome to this video, how to change Apple ID account without losing data. To change your Apple ID on an iPhone without losing data, back up your device. So go ahead to the settings app, hit your account at the top, right? Go ahead to the iCloud, right? And make sure your iCloud is backed up first. Secondly, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your iPhone, right? And make sure that it's backed up, right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and sign out of the current account in settings. So stay in the account and hit sign out instead, okay? And choose to keep a copy of your data when prompted. And then, of course, sign in with the new Apple ID, which merges local data like contacts and photos into the new account. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you.